Hi, I'm Maheshwari. I'm working as a professor in a B school. By my friend reference, I came here to know about Dr. Anand. First, initially, I came here for my breathing problem. So, if I walk for one floor, high heavy breathing I'll be having. So that first, initially, I came here for my breathing problem. After that, doctor diagnosed so many weakness in my body. There is liver and my heart. This everything is got weak. So after his treatment of the 15th session, now I feel really that totally everything has changed for me. I can walk for second floor, third floor also. There will not be any breathing problem I am facing now. And also the skin allergy I had it, and that was fully, it was clearly cured. And I am very happy with this Dr. Anand. And I suggest everyone can meet him without any drugs, that he is curing everything. So you can use the service what the doctor is doing for everyone. So I suggest this doctor to have a very good life, their change in their body as a health and wealth also. Thank you.